Solutions for rehab centers. We provide advanced caregiver workflows that lead to improved patient outcomes in any rehabilitation environment. Effortless compliance. With our automated medication dispensing systems, you can replace cumbersome e-kits and ensure medication integrity and compliance. This means less time worrying about logistics and more time spent caring for your patients. Compact solutions. Our user-friendly cabinets are designed to securely store and dispense medication, built to withstand the rigors of any long-term care facility. Flexible storage options. Streamline workflows by putting essential supplies and medications within easy reach. Every patient interaction becomes impactful and seamless, thanks to swift and safe access to medications and equipment. Medication dispensing models like single-dose and lidded pockets ensure safe, efficient management for rehabilitation teams, optimizing patient care. When it comes to workstation solutions, we empower caregivers to deliver exceptional care with innovative ergonomic designs. Discover how our solutions can transform your facility, enabling you to prioritize patient care.